my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a mini clothes haul plus some boots. So let's start with a dress that I got from Banana Republic. It is a gray sweater dress, like it's very thick and soft, but it is zippered in the back, as you can see, and it's very long, about mid calf maybe, and it has this nice slit on the side. So this is going to be a very warm dress. It is about quarter length sleeve. It's stretchy, and again it is zippered in the back. So this is the dress, and it has like a nice little scoop front neckline, scoop neckline. So again, it is very thick, so it will be a very nice warm dress for the winter time. And this is from Banana Republic, and this is in a size 4. So again, nice gray, nice length winter dress. I also got from Banana Republic some tank tops. They are very soft, again, stretchy material, nice arm, not the spaghetti strap kind, but I can't remember what you call them, but nice scoop necks. They're very high, they're not that low cut, but this is what they look like. And this, I got these in a size medium. Again, this is from Banana Republic and size medium. So this is the gray. I also got this nice cream color, again in size medium. They're so soft and so comfortable. But yeah, and I also got 2 grays, 1 of the cream, and 2 navy blues. And this is what the navy blue look like. That's a pretty blue. And all of these are in size medium. So Banana Republic. And I also picked up some new boots. I needed some new boots, some flatter boots. Riding boots. So I got these from Macy's. These are from Style & Co. This one is in the brown is in the wide calf, and I wear a size 9, but I also needed some chocolate brown ones. I have some of the what's that color? It's brown, but it's not chocolate. But I like these because I needed some that I can wear with jeans, or if I don't want to put on heels. But from Macy's, and they were on sale for $27.99. So these are the brown, and I also picked up the same style in black, but in the regular calf, to see which one I like better, how it fits. But Style & Co. made just for Macy's. So I got these from Macy's again, and they were on sale, both of them for $27.99 a piece. So those are the things that I bought this week. I hope you enjoyed this little mini haul. Let me know if this is something that you'd like to see on this channel. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. And I also got the tank top in this pretty green color. Such a pretty color. But yeah, I can't wait to wear these. Okay, this is what the brown boots look like. They are a little wide on my calf, but they will fit perfectly with jeans. But I like them. They're so cute. Yeah. Okay, this is what the black looks like. And yes, the black fits much better on my calf. They are so comfortable. But yeah. Black. All right, so this is what the dress looks like. She's so cute. I would wear her with my boots with heels, but this is what she would look like with boots. My booty poking out. But yeah, this is what she looks like. It's very comfortable. And that's the neckline.